My name is Eva. I'm 34 years old. I'm from Taiwan. I want to learn Spanish since I can speak English and Chinese. And then I think learning Spanish is another goal in my life. And then I think coming to Spain will be better for learning Spanish. And one day I saw a video on YouTube and I saw Camino is very interesting because the YouTuber says they have Camino has a lot of activities every day. That's why I choose Camino. I think every Saturday we can go. Camino arrange the day tour for students, and it's easy for me for traveling in Spain, and also it's a good opportunity to meet new friends. If I have time, I would love to come back again. Yeah, just keep practicing.